One more round, Cam.
Just to cover myself. Okay, I'm extra late. So on the top of it.
Aaron, you're open! I got it. 6. Oh wait. No, we scored the last point and this point, so 6. I got it. I got it. Take a break. There's nobody that threw it.
Fence, oh, okay, there you go. Nice. Did you dust it? Fence, tighter fence, that's okay.
Oh, you want some heat?
Yeah, Pippa. Nice for, next cut, yeah, Graham. Yeah, Thomas, go, Thomas, go.
What's up?
Oh, no. Clear, fence, clear. One more. Next cut. Oh, yep. 10 to you. Got 10. Nice. Next cut. You got 10. Nice.
Let's use the whole field.
Look left, middle.
Nice cut, Cora.
Middle. Okay. Yeah, that was a perfect. Yeah.
He's got to hit that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna float.
If he wants to handle more. It's got to be something.
Up!
he can
Oh.
Oh.
Good catch, White. Go with her, Anna. Go with her.
Up!
Oh.
Cam on your guy, Cam. Look at you, Cam. Cam on your guy.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Fight them.
Should've-
Should've said not in. Not in. Ooh. Yeah.
Aaron, look left. Good.
Watch out.
Right. Oh, nice try, Pippa.
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh, and there's a call. There's a call. Hold on. Yeah, everyone stop where they are. Yeah. Aaron, that's you. Aaron. Deep. Pop, Aaron.
Good.
It's 8-1. It's 8-1.
No, shit. It was way too high.
Oh, got moving in the right direction.
Give her a job.
I don't know if that was actually the right.
I thought that too high.
No,
Adrian, the cutter.
Oh, Brianna.
Maybe I just should have known.
Okay. You could have got followed. Get away.
Yeah.
I didn't follow you. It's honestly good. Yeah.
Well, no, because you have to make sure. Yeah, even if I thought I would have thought it, it's still just
Okay.
check my shit again. if you were holding evidence as to correct. Yeah, because in that scenario, you had the gun ready. But I think. But like, yeah. That's awesome. Okay. Yeah, good to know. And I think actually what the right thing to do there would have been that I should have picked up and brought it up to the line to bring it into play. But what did you do? Tom brought it back to where I was. And then I brought it in from there.
Give him something, give him something.
But also because the last thing is that if she hadn't fouled me, I would have forced her to end up there.
And watch your deep. Watch your deep. Yeah. Just be behind him. Yeah, good. Keep that distance. Don't let him be in front of you. Yeah, give him under.
I know it is what it is, but I feel
Good.
well, no, she
Look at
brought
that.
it up,
Good.
and then I was like, yeah, actually, you did collide with me as I turned, but I'm like,
Oh,
I
beautiful.
would have anyway, so.
So pretty.
Well, you were right under the desk. I made it hang up.
Yeah, you got it.
So you had to play on it.
Laura. Good job.
It was different. I think we have the regulars. It's just really yeah.
But oh, I see. So should I add a point to this?
Yes.
Okay, we should get rid of that so that I don't just score the shoes.
Sorry.
Sorry about that. No, that was me. I haven't put it so far out there. I think you're going, Aaron.
Yeah.
How about Kenny?
What would they turn to the fan zone during for the next one, right?
That would actually be so smart if they did. It's a great venue for it, eh?
Oh yeah. Well, I don't expect that.
I think so. If they like
Oh yeah.
broadcast it there.
No, Vancouver doesn't do anything cool like that.
Well, isn't there launch parties?
Brand new, beautiful venue that they just completed.
I mean, also,
No one's allowed.
downtown's gonna be like chaos.
I don't know. There's watch parties in Surrey. I never work at all. Oh boy, right. Yeah, my buddies. His dad's like 60th birthday. His dad's like, I want to go. I'll pay for half of his ticket, and he still paid for it.
Oh my god.
Yeah. But he gets to go.
Yeah. That will be fun.
Yeah, I'm a little disappointed. I'm like working all these bets in Surrey. I'm really good. I bet that. I don't know. I'll just be working. Surrey.
Yeah. Like, those are setting up a bunch of stuff like underneath. Is that overpasses?
Yeah. Well, I heard that they closed down a bunch of the like walks around and which is gonna be super awesome.
They're setting up like a new bus stop apparently. It's just like doing like a
Fez, you're under. Fez, under.
like get you like it goes
Yeah,
by-
good, Fez.
I think it's like Berard and then across.
You got Charlotte.
Like they're just kinda
Yeah, Georgia.
Come back.
Good,
where
Georgia.
it all is.
You got Pippa going your left. You got Pippa on your left. Pippa on your left.
Under.
That's okay. Nah, there's no call. It was pretty clean. Yep, you can still bring it to line.
I did the same thing. I caught a idiot there.
Yeah.
And then I looked and I was like, I can still walk, right? Because I had
Yeah.
a moment of I should have just hit it and then I could walk. And I was like, no, I can still walk.
As long as you don't tap or anything, you can walk.
Yeah.
Only in 5s do you have to
Yeah, you have to
take it from where it
play
is.
from where it is.
Yeah. Up!
Yeah, I had the same reaction. Oh, up!
Yo!
But it's just
Aaron,
so much
clear,
more
Aaron,
fun.
clear. Aaron, go
I
back
mean,
side.
it's fun to hit it, but it's also kind of satisfying. Just like
Put it, Finn, do it. Oh, that's okay.
I also like
Graham, clear, Graham, clear. Clear the way, clear the way.
Nice.
Oh.
Okay, that's risky.
One more. Take your time.
That shot.
You got Anna. Oh my God. Oh, the Graham.
Nice.
Yo, that did go where I intended it.
Yeah. Wait, what happened? Was there a call?
Oh, for real?
Where's the run thing? On Sunrise. Is it Northfield?
Lonzi's, like at the key. Like, yeah, I was talking to Laura. And she was asking. I mean, it technically is at
That was such a crummy pass by me.
She wasn't looking.
I know, but I was trying to aim for the
High.
float,
Yeah.
and I just shot it so low. I do that. Actually, I think that was so much focus. I'm aiming like higher, but sometimes it doesn't flick off my wrist.
Yeah. Oh, you were using left hand?
No. I was just trying to shoot it over, but
Luckily, she wasn't
sometimes, yeah, exactly. But that was way too low.
looking. Oh wait, 11 is cap, right?
I think 13, isn't it? I think it's 13. I don't think it's 11. I think it's 21 that you're thinking of for the single
that's
header.
one header, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's
But
13
pass?
for a single.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's 13. And they can actually go higher than 13 if it's a tight game.
Rules.
Yeah, you have to win by 2 basically.
Yesterday,
To win by 13, you gotta win by at least 2.
we're allowed a timeout, right?
Yes.
We're allowed a timeout.
Well, I think 1 per game.
One
Maybe 2 in a single.
for
single
one,
game.
2
2 in a single header.
for one for
And
each
then-
team.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
But usually I think people just take a half instead.
Because the team that I played with yesterday,
Yeah.
they called for timeout twice.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's only 1 for the 1 hour games. She had a block on me actually. I just gripped the disc a little bit tighter.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's
I was poached for quite a long time actually. Should try to hit me a bit quicker.
Ken, look right. Look right. See Peppa. Good. See Tom. Higher, higher.
Yeah,
Drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it.
Ready, Peppa.
Look deep.
Nice
Look
shot,
deep.
Tom.
You got Nicole, but you don't need to do it either.
Easy. Oh my gosh. Easy. Oof. Yeah, we need to take it easy on that. I would have I would have IO'd that like outside and because like the guy was on her left, so if she kept running to the right, she would have had some distance from him.
Well, the guy was just faster. He has the.
Let him go deep, Cat. Let him have Vander. Yeah, let him have Vander.
What happened to him?
Ken, Pippa back.
That was a funny pass. Yeah. See that pass?
So there's no half.
Wow.
Yeah. Nicole and Cora were open the entire time.
New pass attack.
Alright. Yeah, love it. Both of you. You got this. You're a team.
Really quick game. I said it's a quick game. It's only 7:20. 2 more points and we're done.
2 more points?
You
Okay.
can stay if you want. Go team.
Instead of the throat, it's just like the open set.
Wait,
Wait, what you got?
You had just like on the break side, she's just all alone.
here. Okay, the guy was watching the pole, so as soon as he stopped me to do something else, he pulled off of it. But my motion was already going in that direction, so I just followed my momentum.
Yeah, you're straight. I'd say it was a bad decision.
Oh, was she? I was focusing down, sorry. I was focusing down for this.
Yeah, Nicole was there. That's great. You had Cora. Either way, you had Cora and Nicole open on both sides. I think this team is coming down from Div 2.
Wait.
Because like based on how I was moving, the guy stopped from going
This
to
team
home.
was
It's coming down from Div 2.
Really? No way.
Are you sure? I looked on the standings. I think they were like.
They couldn't stay in Div 3.
Really? Well, because they were like.
No, we are moving in the 3,
Where
right?
did-
We are in the 3.
This is
Yeah.
different. I think this team was also.
If they were in Div 3, they would have stayed.
Yeah, I think they did.
Oh, they did?
They did, but they were like as low. There were 2 teams that were 2 and 5,
Yeah.
and then there was like an 0 and 7 and like a 1 and 6.
Us and CCL, were you there last week? I wasn't there last week. Yeah, I couldn't imagine how dominated.
We kind of.
Yeah. At least no collision, no.
Like it was like
yeah.
6-4 for us
Yeah.
at one point, and then we won the game like 21-5.
Oh.
Like we
Yeah.
had like
So this
like 15 of the last 16 points. What?
They're taking the field when they're not supposed to be here. Yeah.
Oh, and Dad's being a grumpy,
Yeah,
grumpy
he is,
Gus
yeah.
about
Don't worry about it, Narwhal. You guys got it.
it. God forbid. Just trying to make sure we don't hit your kid.
Yeah.
God forbid, God forbid we're just looking at it. We just don't want to hit your kid.
I had this thing back in New Zealand. And it was like the size of both of these together. We were playing on one field, and this guy with his kid and a little student walked right across the field, and we were like, hey, sorry, we're all these cones, we're playing here. And he was like, it's a public park. And we're like, that we paid to rent.
It's not the first time
And he
I've.
was like, ugh. And then was deliberately taking his time. And then his kid wouldn't get off the field, and he was like, no, they don't think it's funny. for
Stuff
us
like
to
this,
be here or something."
Stuff like this, just take pictures and send it to VUL. Like saying these folks are not supposed to be here, but they're taking up the space.
Yeah.
We have so much space.
Unless they're here for like a reason. From soccer, they just park and run and be like 3 minutes out.
I mean, that field over there.
Incorporated down. We are just some.
And my friend pulled the disc and it hit the kid, and she was like, I swear to God, I wasn't trying to do that. And then the kid got all upset and ran away with the scooter on the field.
No.
There, zone is a zone. It's a zone.
Oh, I love how they practice that.
No, we had 2.
Oh, I
I don't know how many times are you not practicing.
Whoever's playing over there sounds pretty good.
Really piano stuff. We score one, it's 8 points. Oh, good catch. Go for it.
Do we know, like...
It might be
this-
last
this
point.
music? Yeah. This music seems familiar.
Stay for it. I'm good.
Initially, when the zone happens...
Hey, hit swing. Don't look at me. Hit swing. No, speak to you.
So initially, if the zone is happening, keep swinging it. That's the one. Yeah, swing it. Oh, David. Yeah. Rules. What's up? I was playing yesterday at Memorial Oval. We were playing against. We thought this was disc golf. I don't know if you know that team. We thought this was disc golf.
Disc golf, yeah.
Anyways, they only had 4 female matching player. We had 6.
Yeah.
One of their female matching player got injured, so we decided to play 4 female matching player.
Yeah.
They called a timeout. It's a one-header game. They called a time. No, I played yesterday. They called a timeout on the first game, and then after half, they called another timeout.
Yeah, that's fine. You have 2 timeouts.
Per team.
Per...
So if we were playing against this
In
this
the whole
team,
game, you have 2 timeouts.
so that team is allowed to call the 2 remaining timeouts. The 2 timeouts only. If they call it, can we call a timeout or no?
Yeah, each team has 2.
Oh, so each team has 2 timeouts. Okay, I see. I thought it was only 1 timeout per each team and then a half. Yeah. Okay.
It's a zone! It's a zone!
Aaron, help handle. Aaron, help handle.
Good grab. Who's
Easy.
passing?
Swing it. It's
okay.
okay. Sorry, I was in the way.
Too casual.
Good catch.
Sideline got win. It's good. 1.
Up! Force home, force home. Home. That's okay, Aaron. More home.
No break, Aaron. No break.
Hands up, up!
No break, Tom. No break. Aaron,
Up.
tight.
That's okay.
Oh. Call a pick, Anna. Call a pick. You can call a pick on your own teammate.
But,
I believe so.
I think Aaron's guy was way farther away. Aaron was
Trying to catch up,
Point
yeah.
them, point them.
Yeah.
Point them.
Huh?
Point them.
Point who?
Point them.
Oh, point them. Yeah. You're allowed to call a pick on your own player. That's the thing. You're allowed to call a pick on your own player.
Yeah, what happened there? Was that a pick or?
No,
It was a pick.
Not really. Aaron wasn't really marking his guy.
Call a pick.
Yeah,
Fence,
fence.
Get
Call,
up.
call a pick.
Sorry.
It was still a pick. A pick is a pick.
Were you guarding him or were you sort of like coaching us?
No, I
That's the
ran
real
into
question,
Anna.
right? Is if you in a collider because you were coaching or like going for something not your player, but
Yep, that's not a pick then.
but
Oh
I
no,
don't
no,
know.
it
I
was
don't
definitely
see
a
it.
pick. I ran into Anna.
I was coaching.
Yeah.
Trying to catch up.
Anna was
So
coaching,
I
okay.
wasn't. able
My
to
guy was
follow
trying to
you.
go up. I was gonna
I saw
follow,
it.
but I didn't see Anna until I turned into her.
That's all good.
No, that makes no sense.
I wouldn't be offended if you called pick on me.
It's our advantage. Anything right, you cancel foul on your own player.
I gotta check if I.
Once I was like jumping for a disc, and as I went to get it, someone whacked my arm, and I was like, oh, that. And I turned around to say foul, and it was someone on my own team, and I was like, oh,
Your own teammate Dave you.
You turn around like, whose team are you on?
Yeah, you can. Take your time. Nice, swing it, swing.
Great movement.
Follow it. Back to you.
Make ground, nice.
Ken.
Nice. Yeah, do it.
Look for middle. Yeah.
Tricky.
Oh, almost.
Point for you, Jack.
Up. Fez, no big. That's good, Fez, that's good. Up. Up.
Come on, guys. Closer out here. Come on.
All right, boys, I'm closing it.
Yeah.
Closing time. Come on.
Say it again.
We just need one more.
Bye. We gotta.
Yeah, I'm not worried about it. I'm more just like, this has to
Got to our heads.
One more point, it should be fine.
One more point, yeah.
I think it's the time already.
No, 7:45. 7:45 is cap. Yeah.
This is hard, yeah. It's just be super better out now. It doesn't matter.
Still got
So 2 timeouts for each team. 1-on-1 game. I love playing against zone.
What?
I said I love playing against zone.
At the end zone?
At zone play. Like I like the offensive play. Because it teaches everyone to be patient with the disc.
Make smart cuts at the right time.
It's basically tiring out their rabbit or whoever's counting. Because they're gonna be running all over the place. We did it once before where the team had to like call melt because they were too tired to keep up.
So few teams in Vancouver play the zone.
Anna, under. No, clear. Tom, under. Go under, Tom. Go under, Tom. Keep going, Anna.
Somebody stretch deep.
It's okay. See Pippa. Look left, David. Look left. David, left.
Oh! Yay!
I think that's score.
I think that's game.
That's game.
Yeah. Thank you.
What happened there, Tom?
Oh, he just like.
Ran into your shoulder.
I heard that one.